Here are the abandoned remains of Uttoxeter West level crossing, Staffordshire. As you can see, the old barrier cage is still in place. There's 2 wigwags still in place. I can't see any alarms.
There's a sign too.
Although yeah, the sign as well. I believe this crossing would have had J's.
And there's a sign there. I think that's a piece of fencing.
Road closed in access. No, yeah, road closed, no access. No parking in front of these gates. Keep clear, 24-hour access required at all times. I'm trying to get over, put my phone over the fence here. There you go. There we go. This is located near the station. The station sign's around here somewhere, but yeah. This is the former site of West Level Crossing.